Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2022 XC Fluid Mechanics paper. Question number 32 is the speed of propagation C of a capillary wave depends on density of the fluid rho, wavelength of the wave lambda, and surface tension. If the density and wavelength remain constant, halving the surface tension would lead to a new velocity c dash, given by option A c dash is equal to 2c, option B c dash is equal to root 2c, option C c dash is equal to c by root 2, option D c dash is equal to c. Okay, so now given that the c is a function of rho, lambda and sigma. Rho is density, lambda is wavelength, and sigma is your surface tension. Okay, now dimension of c is dimension of velocity, that is lt minus 1, and dimension of rho is ml minus 3. Okay, so c is a function of 3 is can be written as rho raised power a, lambda raised power b, and sigma raised power c. Okay, so it will be ml minus 3a, and lambda will be and dimension of lambda is l, so lb, and dimension of sigma is mt minus 2, so this is mt minus 2c. Okay, so now comparing t, so here the power of t is minus 1, here the power of t is minus 2c, so c will be your half. Okay, so here c is constant, this c is velocity, so c can be written as rho a, lambda b, and sigma 1 by 2. Okay, now in the second case sigma is halved. Okay, so this sigma is sigma by 2, and this c is c dash. Okay, now from 1 and 2, c by c dash is equal to sigma by 2 raised power 1 by 2. Okay, so c by c dash is equal to 2 raised power 1 by 2. Okay, so c will be your c dash will be your c by root 2. Option C is the right answer. Okay, so option C is the right answer. Next, a two-dimensional flow field is described by a combination of a source of strength M at the origin and a uniform flow U in the positive x direction, such that velocity potential is given by phi is equal to ux plus m by 2 pi ln root x square plus y square. The stagnation streamline is shown in the figure. Find the distance a dash. We have to find out this distance a dash. Options are m by u, b 2m by u, c 8m by u, d m by 2u. Okay. So so this is your a dash. Okay, suppose this is your origin. Okay, and take any point on this curve at a radius r. Okay, so that the y coordinate is y and x coordinate is x. Okay, and it is turning an angle theta. So x can be represented as r cos theta and y can be represented as r sin theta. Okay, and the velocity potential is given as ux m by 2 pi ln x square plus y square. Okay, so this can be changed. X can be written as r cos theta and root x square plus y square can be written as r. So pi is your u r cos theta, m by 2 pi ln r. Okay, now the velocity in radial direction can be found out by differentiating pi with respect to r. So it will be u cos theta and m 2 pi ln r differentiation is r. Okay, 1 by r. Okay, now for stagnation point ur should be equal to 0. Okay, so ur is 0, putting ur is equal to 0. Okay, so it means we are putting this quantity as 0. So u cos theta minus will be equal to minus m by 2 pi r. Okay, so this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. Okay, now this is ur velocity in radial direction in terms of pi. Now in terms of pi, the circumferential velocity can also be written as 1 by r curly bracket and theta. Okay, so differentiating this respect to theta and dividing by r. So as this term doesn't contain theta, so this differentiation will be 0 and the differentiation will be u sin theta, and it will be divided by r, and it will be u sin theta. Okay, so u theta will be your u sin theta. Okay, now for stagnation point u theta should also be 0, and if u theta is 0, it means theta is 0, u is not 0, because u is your free stream velocity. Okay, so it means theta is 0, so stagnation point is when the theta is 0, or this point, a point is your stagnation point. Okay, now if we put theta here 0, then it will be u, and this u will be your minus m by 2 pi r. So at point A we will obtain velocity as we will obtain stagnation point, and u is okay. So u is your minus m by 2 pi r. Okay. Okay. So from the stagnation point we get u is equal to minus m by 2 pi r. Okay. So as A is your stagnation point, okay, and this is the streamline. Okay. So it is given that the stagnation streamline is shown in figure. So this is your stagnation streamline. So along this line, the stream function will remain same. Okay. So the stream function is given by psi uy m by 2 pi theta, and y can be written as, okay. So this is your equation number 4, and y okay. So we have to find out this point A. So at along line A dash, the y is 0. Okay. So if we put y is equal to 0 and theta is your sorry, at this point A, the y is 0 and theta is your pi. Okay, so this is the stream function, general stream function, and at point A the theta is equal to pi and y is equal to 0. Okay, so this is your 0 and theta is equal to pi, so stream function is your f by 2 at point A, and this stream function will remain constant along this curve. Okay, so at point this is a stream function at point A, and this will remain same at A and at A dash also. Okay, so now putting psi is equal to m by 2, and so it will be uy m by 2 pi theta along this line, and at point A the theta is your pi by 2. Okay, at point A theta is your pi by 2. Okay, so putting the value of theta as pi by 2 and psi as m by 2, so we can obtain y as, so we can obtain y. Okay, it is m by 2 and this is also m by 4, so y is m by 4u. Okay, so this is m by 4u. So this distance is m by 4u, and now this distance will be your again m by 4u. So a dash will be m by 4u into 2, or m by 2u. Option D is the right answer. So this is your m by 4u into 2, or m by 2. Option D is the right answer.